Hi, Cincy brothers and sisters. So I'm sitting here the night before heading out to Vegas for Cincy Convention 2012, Light It Up, Cincy style, where a lot of exciting things are going to happen. New news, new product reveals for Cincy, a lot of news, and we get to find out what Brand X is all about. And so I just wanted to send you all a message tonight because I know many of you wanted to be going to convention this year, and life happens, it happens to all of us, and it's happening to me right now. And so I don't want you to feel worried. I don't want you to feel down. I don't want you to feel envious or like you're missing out. We are still a team, and we still love each and every one of you so much. And I just want you to know that even if you couldn't join us this year, when you see us posting updates and really excited, just know that that's for you. And know that we're just doing that because we want you to know what's going on here. We want you to share in the excitement with us about what's going on here. We're not doing it to boast. We're not doing it to brag. We are doing it for you, our team, so that you can enjoy in the excitement with us. So I hope you'll go on this ride with us for the next 3 days. I hope you'll share the excitement with us and be excited about everything that's happening, because I just believe God has some really amazing things in store for us, and I just want you to be so filled and so excited and so happy, because I want you to know how happy and excited and how blessed I am just to know you, and the fact that Cincy, for many of us, Cincy brought us all together, and we wouldn't know each other if we hadn't come together through Cincy. And so I'm just grateful tonight. My heart is so full, and I just hope that as we head to Vegas and light it up, that wherever you're at, in your home, at work, wherever you're at, you'll shine right where you're at. So here's to an exciting 3 crazy days, and I love you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.